Hey guys, welcome back to AI Border. Let me start with a problem most creators are dealing with today. You don't just want to generate content anymore. You want to finish real deliverables, things people can actually open, run, and interact with. Websites, mini games, short films, interactive experiences, and small applications. The issue is that most creation workflows are still fragmented. You use one tool to brainstorm ideas, another tool to design visuals, another to write logic, and another to publish. Every step lives in a separate environment. You constantly switch tabs, export files, re-import assets, fix formats, and reconnect pieces. Over time, more energy goes into managing tools than into building ideas. Today I'm testing SeaVerse. The core idea behind SeaVerse is that creation and development should happen inside the same space. Instead of generating isolated outputs like images or text, you move toward building runnable projects. You start with an idea, describe what you want, and the system helps turn that description into something executable. SeaVerse is a multimodal AI platform that combines generation, building, previewing, and publishing in a single workflow. You don't manually assemble separate components. You describe the behavior and structure in natural language, and the platform translates that into organized elements that can run. When you open SeaVerse, you see a large prompt box asking you to create your universe or project. This is the entry point. There is also a Go to Builder button that takes you into the main workspace. Inside the platform, you can navigate through sections like Home, Global Feed, Videos, Games, Apps, and Discord. You can explore existing projects created by others or start building your own from scratch. The workflow inside SeaVerse is organized into 3 layers. The first layer is multimodal generation. This is where the AI produces text, visuals, layout ideas, and basic structure. The second layer is application building. Here, those generated elements are assembled into runnable experiences. The third layer is delivery and publishing. This is where you preview your project and make it accessible to others. Inside the workspace, you mainly interact with a few core components. Chat is where you talk to the AI using natural language. You explain what you want to build or change. Preview shows you the current runnable state of your project. Assets store all generated visuals, text, and media in one place. Skills allow you to define reusable behaviors or logic, such as randomization or conditional events. Apps display your runnable experiences. Publish is used to share the final result. SeaVerse also includes an inspiration feed that shows examples of videos, games, and apps created by other users. This helps you understand how different ideas are implemented. You can look at projects, see what patterns they use, and adapt those patterns to your own work. Using the same workflow, you can produce short films, build mini-games, create app-style interfaces, build simple websites, and generate poster systems. The process does not change based on format. You always start with description, move to structure, preview the result, and publish. Let me walk through the simple example. I type, I want a mini-game where users choose observer mode or mystery mode with a clean UI and a start button. SeaVerse converts this description into structured components. When I open preview, I see an interface with mode selection and basic settings. All visuals and content appear inside assets automatically. If I want more depth, I can add skills such as random story introductions, character descriptions, or dynamic events. When the project feels complete, I publish it as a runnable experience. SeaVerse offers free, Pro, Plus, and Ultra plans with different credit and storage limits. You choose based on how often you build and how large your projects are. The main value of this type of platform is reducing the distance between idea and execution. You spend less time wiring tools together and more time testing ideas. You can iterate faster, experiment more, and ship more frequently. This approach works for games, apps, websites, and multimedia projects. Anywhere you want to move from concept to runnable output. Check the links in the description, join the Discord, subscribe to AI Border, and let me know what you want me to test next. Until next.